Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you the best app you can use to link your PayPal account, the best virtual credit card you can use to link your PayPal account. And with this app that I'm going to share with you, if you open an account with them, there are many different currencies that you are not allowed to have account in US dollars, in euro, Kuwait, up to 10 to 15 currencies that you are allowed to use in this particular app. And not only that, you can also apply for a visual credit card, and that your visual credit card, you are allowed to make any payments online worldwide. With this credit card, you can be able to link it with your PayPal account to your PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account and you want to link your credit card to it, with the help of this app, you will be able to link it. All you have to do is to download it. Once you download it, then you fill the form. You make sure that you fill the form accordingly with your official information. Once you fill it, then you will be able to log into your profile. Then you verify. After the verification, everything, then they will give you your account there where you can credit in your local currency. And after crediting with your local currency, you can convert it to dollars or to Kuwait, to any currency that you want to convert it to. You can convert it to that particular currency. And you that is in Nigeria and you want to save your money in dollars, you can also use this account. All you have to do is to follow the instruction that I'm about to show you with this video. Before we go to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button at the bottom there and turn on the notification. And also like the video, drop your comment, drop your opinion towards the video. Thank you. So let's go to the video on how you can do it.
Warning. This video is intended solely for educational purposes. Reproduction or utilization of any code or content from this video for illegal activities is strictly prohibited. It is essential to comply with all governmental laws and regulations. Failure to do so may result in your arrest and legal accountability for any illegal activities. Thanks.
You can see from here is my app store. Then what you are going to do next from here now is that you will type Gray. So I'm going to type it from here. You type GREY. So you search it. After you have searched it, it will open like this to you. You can see on my screen. You can see on my screen here. You see the app. This is the app that you will use to receive money, either in dollars or in euro or in any other country. You will see the countries that are there, and you can receive money within Nigeria. Or you want to know, you may transfer from naira to dollars. You can convert your money from naira to dollars. Maybe you want to keep money in dollars, you want to save in dollars. After you have transferred it to your naira account, from there you can switch it to dollars account. Then from there your money will be saved in dollars. From here, because I've already installed it, that's why you are seeing open here. You will make sure that you look for this app that is showing here. You can see it here. You make sure that you look for this app. You can see the logo here. So what you will do is that you will touch the app. You will touch it. You will make sure you will install it. If you have not installed it before, you will install it. If you have not installed it before, it will show install here. But after you have installed it, it will show open. But you that have not installed it, make sure that you install it first. So you fill the form. But now I've installed it, I will touch here on the open. Let me touch it for you to see from here. If you have registered it, you will log in. But if you have not registered with this app before, all you have to do is that for you to sign up, then you verify, you fill in your details like your NIN or your international passport or your voter's card, as far any document that are be issued to you by the government. You will see most of them the registration option where you can select the one you have in your house, the one that is with you that you provide. You will see it there. So what you will do next from here is that you can see from here, example, you can see from here, you will see a naira account, which is the first one. The second one here, British pound. third one here euro, then the other one United States dollars, then you see the other one Uganda sterling, then you see the other one Tanzania sterling, then you see the other one for here again Kenya sterling. You will see many of them from here. So what you will do is that you will make sure you fill the form, you verify. After you are verified, then they will give you the opportunity, for you to log in into your app. Then once you have logged into your app, from here you will be able to save money in dollars or in any other country. If you want to get the card like MTN, the way MTN card is, you can from here, which is the virtual card that you want to use to access anything online. Then with this app like this, you can use it to link the card. If you are living in Nigeria, you can from here with this app, with the card that they are going to give to you, you can link it to your PayPal account, and from there you can transfer money to your PayPal account, make payment with PayPal account in Nigeria. You will open that account, that your PayPal account in Nigeria, then you open this app again. Then from here, the card they are going to give to you, which is the visual card, you can link into your Nigeria account. You can use it to transfer money out and receive money in. For you to get that card, this is where you will go. You will come to this option here. You will come to this option here. I will touch the option. I will touch it, so you can see get your instant prepaid debit card. And this instant prepaid debit card, you can see it here. Under of it, you will see in under of it, you will see faster international payment, global accepted, work on all your favorite store, heaven secure. You can see it here, and you can see the card picture at the up here. And with this card, you can use it to access anywhere or online. You can use it to access any portal. You can use it to make any payment online. Mostly for those people that want to use paper. You can use this auction. You can use this card to access your paper account from anywhere in the whole world. You can use this card. So all you have to do is that to create my virtual account, and once you click it, once you touch it, it will open something like this to you. You can see that my screen is loading, so you have to wait for some time. So after like this, you can see that you will be charged a one-time fee, which means they are going to charge you for once. When you open an account in a bank, then you apply for MTN card, at least they are going to charge you for once. So at the same thing is also happening here. You can see from here that you will be charged a one-time fee. From here you will see here you will be charged a one-time fee of $5 from your USD balance. Below is the breakdown. You can see card creation fee, which is $4. This is the charge for the creation of the card. Then the other one, card top up, $1. This is the credit to your great virtual card. These are the things that they are going to charge you from here. These are the amount when you total the two together, which is $5. Before you were able to get this card, you must make sure that you have up to $5 on that your account. Then you touch on this race. I confirm to pay the one-time fee of $5. After you take this option where the arrow is pointing to, after you take it, then you will see that this option will create my virtual account will now pop up for you to touch it. Then once you touch it from here, then they will give you your card. That is how you open dollars account or hero account with this app.
Now you have watched it, please don't forget to like the video, drop your comment, your opinion on the comment section at the bottom there. And also remember, I'm dropping the promo code. When you are going to register the mobile app, they are going to request for promo code. So I'm going to drop my promo code under the comment section. Also, you can use my promo code so that we help each other by doing that.